Guardian angel on one shoulder and devil's advocate on the other. Podcast production by Lynn and Dave. Episode 1, Revved Up Dilemma. The car dealership showroom. A 15-year-old, Brady, walks wide-eyed into a car dealership with his dad, Dan. They stroll past rows of shiny cars, towering trucks, and sleek motorcycles. Brady's jaw drops in awe at the possibilities before him. On his left shoulder, Gabriel, a neat, glowing guardian angel, floats in a cloud of serenity, a golden halo above his head. On Brady's right shoulder, Lucas, a smirking devil's advocate, leans casually against Brady's neck with a mischievous grin, dressed in a leather jacket with flames embroidered on the back. Dan, Brady's dad, already looks exasperated, his face a mix of regret and despair, clutching the dealership pamphlet. "Whoa, Dad, look at that! That thing's gotta fly!" "Yeah, fly straight into a ticket, or worse." "Brady, think of your safety. You want something sensible, something reliable." "Sensible? Pff, who wants sensible when you can drive something that roars like a beast in heat? You don't want to drive a toaster, kid." "I don't know, Dad. That Camaro over there, it's like a rocket on wheels." "Rockets explode, Brady. You're not ready for that kind of speed. You need a nice, responsible vehicle. A sedan, perhaps. 4 doors, airbags, cozy cup holders." "Sedan. Did he just say sedan? Look at you. You've got 2 whole years until you're legally behind the wheel. You want to roll up to high school in a sedan? What's next? Knitting classes?" "Hey, knitting could be cool." "Knitting is a wonderful calming hobby. You could make scarves." "Scarves? You need horsepower, buddy. Girls love horsepower. And motorcycles. Brady, think about it. You on a bike, wind in your hair, no seatbelt tying you down. Freedom." Brady's eyes glaze over as he envisions himself on a motorcycle, speeding through the desert like some wild rebel. "Motorcycle? Yeah, that does sound pretty awesome." "Motorcycle over my dead body?" I mean, hey, Dad, not yet, but who knows?" "Brady, please think about the risks, the danger. Statistics say motorcycles are dangerous, blah, blah, blah. You know what's more dangerous? Boredom. You don't want to end up driving a minivan like your dad, do you? Hey, my minivan has heated seats. Luxury, son." "Yeah, but a minivan isn't exactly cool." "Exactly. You want something cool, something badass. What about that lifted truck over there? You could crush traffic. Nobody messes with you in one of those." They all look over at a monster truck jacked up on giant tires, complete with a snorkel and floodlights. Brady's eyes widen. "Whoa, I could just drive over other cars." "Drive over other cars? Brady, you want to drive around them, not through them. How will you even park that thing? Do you have any idea how much gas that guzzles?" "Who cares about gas mileage when you can see over every car in the parking lot? And parallel parking? Forget it. You just make your own spot." "I would have to park it and then pay for the gas." "But, Dad, I could go off-roading. Imagine that. Driving through the mud, up mountains, maybe even over trees." "Over my dead body again." "Brady, please think of how practical a small car could be. It's easier to control, better for the environment, and much safer." "Yeah, sure. Let's all drive hybrids and talk about composting on the weekends. Brady, buddy, what do you want? A truck that can survive a zombie apocalypse? A bike that's faster than a cheetah? Or a sedan?" Brady's mind spins. He looks at the cars, the motorcycles, the trucks, each one tempting him more than the last. Gabriel is nearly in tears while Lucas is practically doing a victory dance. Why did I ever let him watch that fast car show? Suddenly, sales rep walks up, far too peppy for his own good. "Hey, folks, looking for something practical or something with a bit more oomph?" "I'm just looking for something that won't get him killed." "Don't worry, we've got airbags and everything these days." Brady glances between Gabriel and Lucas one last time, both now locked in a silent but intense stare-off. What about a moderately cool car? Gabriel wipes his brow in relief, while Lucas rolls his eyes. Moderately cool. That's just meh. Moderation is wise, Brady. You'll thank yourself later. Moderately cool. Now that I can live with. And we can put flames on the side, right? Dan looks horrified as Gabriel faints and Lucas pumps his fist in triumph. Why, oh why, didn't I just buy him a bicycle?